How to remove people from your favorites on contacts. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to remove people from your favorite section on your phone or your contacts. So let's get started. So first thing, just open up your contacts application, which is usually located right under your navigation or home screen, or you can also simply search in for the phone app and you can just open it. Now just head over to contact section from the bottom right corner of your screen, and you should see I've selected one person as a my favorites from my contacts. So if I were to remove that, I would simply have to long press on that particular contact just like this, and I would simply tap on this more button or three dot icon at the bottom right corner, and you can see there will appear a option that is remove from favorites. So simply select it, and just like that, you will have successfully removed that particular person from your favorite contacts. If you want to add back or add a new person to your favorite, you can just tap on this option that is add to favorites and just tap or add any person that you like. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.